Hello everybody, today we're going to learn fusul or seasons. So we know we have 4 seasons. The first one is the summer season. So for summer we say soif in Arabic, or it's called fasl saif, which means the summer season. Fasl saif. So summer is as-saif. As-saif. As-saif is summer. Now let's learn the next season. Winter. Ash-shita. Ash-shita is winter. Fasl shita is winter. Now let's learn the spring season. So how do we say spring in Arabic? It's ar-rabi'. Ar-rabi' means spring. So if we want to say the spring season, we say fasl ar-rabi', which means the spring season. Now let's learn the autumn. So autumn in Arabic is al-kharif. Al-kharif. Fasl kharif means the autumn season. Kharif, autumn. So now let's quickly recap with all the seasons. Summer is as-saif. As-saif. As-saif is summer. Spring is ar-rabi'. 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 Winter is ash-shita. 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 And al-kharif. Al-kharif is autumn. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.